Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you where the idle adjustment is on the Ariens Deluxe Snowblower. But before I do that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss anything. So I've had a bunch of viewers leave comments on the channel saying, hey, my Ariens Snowblower idles a little erratically. What can I do to smoothen it out? I'll show you a couple of tricks to hopefully help you out with that issue. Alright, so we just got 6 inches of snow today, and in 2 days it's supposed to be 72. Go figure, that's New Hampshire for you. But I've had this machine for a couple of years now. It's awesome. I love the thing. It's never let me down, and it's really good. Ariens is an awesome brand. They've always put out quality. And with that said, right here is the choke on your machine, and right here is the this controls like the idle speed. So as you're snow blowing, if the machine starts to surge up and down and backfire a little bit or sputter, close the choke all the way once it's warmed up. If that continues, you may want to mess around a little bit with the idle speed control. Like if you get on this way, that'll slow the engine speed down, and if you turn the dial up, that'll speed the engine up and give it more RPMs. And I've kind of played around with this. When the machine has warmed up, I've turned the choke off and I've set the idle speed a little bit faster, and that's always smoothed my machine out for me. So I'm hoping that I just wanted to pass this along to you guys in case this has happened. So it's something you might want to try out, and I hope it helps you out. And if there's anything else that you guys have found that helped you out with this particular machine, leave a comment so our viewers can read it. And you know, we want you guys to add to the videos, comment as much as you want. We'd love to see the interaction, and hope this helps you out. And don't forget to subscribe. Take it easy.